Breaking an entry. Over at Rob's shop, we got the G35. We got the spoiler on, and we got the rear bumper wrapped. So that's sick, but we're gonna be adding a livery over my G35. I had to reschedule the bash bars appointment because weather wasn't really on our side, and so I wasn't able to drop off the car. He had cars in the shop with wet paint he wanted to dry, and he couldn't let them out because it was raining, this and that. Anyways, yeah, so we're about to cook up some designs. I already got the vinyl. Me and Rob are going to get everything printed and cut, and hopefully put on the G35. Oh, it's so beautiful. That's like the perfect shade of Tiffany blue that I need.
It does have pearlescent effect, so it should pop out.
Bruh, drinking chocolate milk.
They spend on this Yahoo. I mean Google milk. Yahoo. Safari chocolate.
You know what, Rob? Fuck that. We're gonna wrap my car in Lego. Let's do a Lego livery. I'll fucks with that. I like that. Oh, new discovery. We might do a white shadow under the Tiffany instead of black because I'm pretty sure that's not enough vinyl for us to use.
It's so black anyway, too. Like that's too black. It's like, how can black be so noticeable when it's a dark color? We're trying to think of what colorway would contrast and complement on a blue. I don't know. But anyway, we about to put his car on here and start working.
Where'd you get that from?
Get a ruler, right? Measure how long or wide this, what do you call that? The door handle.
The door handle?
Measure the door handle width and height.
Hey, Rob, guess what?
Yeah.
It's 10 inches long. Should look like Spider-Man. I think I like the bottom one though. It's more flowy with like the longer body that the G has. Oh my gosh.
A whole other.
Oh my god. And then you have Brian.
I did not finish that man's grab yet.
Where's the R at? Oh, there it is.
Let me do my spin on the design. It is. Yo, hold on. What words can we put? Super creativity. What do you call it? Adobe. Cheapest areas of the fucking city, bro. You go to like any Hispanic area, they be putting like Boss Baby Motorsports, bro.
So this is what Rob currently has on his Z. That's the one we're thinking about doing, or I think about doing. We're gonna see and compare the two to see which one I like better. Bro, that GTR spoiler is so sexy. I cannot get over it.
Yeah, even she's looking at it on the screen. You see this?
This definitely looks more green in person, which I love because this is the exact shade of Tiffany. All right, so now we have the livery in there. We're gonna add our crew logo right. I'm sorry, I keep forgetting it's touchscreen.
Remember the black look? You know?
All right, you can get rid of the rank one too now.
Store.
Oh my god! White is kind of growing on me. Oh, copy and paste it real quick with the Tiffany over to see what it looks like. Bro's invested in stars now. Okay. I like that. That looks good.
Yeah!
That's
gassing my own workup. Come.
What? Come.
Come over and get some bullshit. You know what this look like?
Huh?
Frozone.
Where'd it go? Yeah, that's the move for sure. Let's do it. All right, and now we wait. So we're doing it in sections. We got the first section cut out all the way, and we're gonna go and throw it across the room. Now we're gonna do the same one.
I've never been so anticipated. It's like waiting for Santa Claus on Christmas, or like waiting for my dad to come back.
Yo! And this is the not so fun part. All right, piece one is going down. Forget the Lamborghini behind me. Y'all ain't get to see it yet, but like we've done the white so far here on the front, and then we're gonna do the Tiffany over it, and then we're gonna do the rest of the car. And then I'll show you guys the whole reveal once it's done. It's freaking insane already. I'm not showing you the rest of it yet, but we're gonna see the Tiffany blue over the white.
Need more soap.
No, it's definitely 1:40 in the morning. I'm so tired, but I really don't care. All right, Rob's gonna finish the G tomorrow. I'm gonna leave the car here overnight just because I gotta get some sleep for work tomorrow. Who made that a thing? Anyways, we'll be back, and it should be done tomorrow. I'm so tired, Jesus. Alrighty, guys, we just got over to Brandon's shop. Rob went ahead and dropped off the G over here, and oh my God. Yo, this thing is crazy. Oh, the hood came out freaking awesome. And then the side with the turquoise. Oh my goodness. Oh, this thing's so sick. And then I love how the color shift like matches with that. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, Rob freaking cooked on this, guys. As of right now, we got Texas House of Power tomorrow, so I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Just because Honestly, it looks pretty cool the way it is still, but let me know what you think. I think this came out freaking awesome. I had this concept in mind for a really long time, and to see it in reality in person is just, I don't know. All right, guys, we made it to Texas House of Power. We got the G, we got Rob Z. I definitely got pulled over down the road. Definitely show that I want to guess that's a striker. We definitely showed up like 2 hours late, but doesn't look like too big of a line. We got Mr. Benny. What up, my guy?
Oh, y'all made it?
Yes, sir. We made it.
You gonna slide or what?
Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna let my car cool off a little bit. Oh shit, there's a 370Z sliding. Ah! Oh no! No, he needs to get out. He needs to get out. Friendly reminder to stay hydrated this summer, guys. It's fucking hot. Oh my god. Tossing it all the way. Oh no, that shit's gonna pop if he does it again. We got a fucking S10 with no doors and a dude with big tits. I was working that wheel. Okay. Oh my god, it's an LS 240! Oh my god! Holy cloud! Oh my goodness! That thing whipped! Oh my god, clutch kick go crazy! Oh, here goes Benny. Got a freaking DE Swatch S chassis. This shit's freaking clean as hell. Okay, you know what he's doing. Okay. I just went retarded in the G35. My car started overheating, but my boy Rubo got me a video. I went to pee. What did I miss? Oh my god. fix everything. Woo! Holy shit. Well, unfortunately, I have some news that the G35 motor is done again. We just got it finished too. Gotta figure out how to get home, figure out how to get that bitch home. But yeah, thanks for watching.
Matt Black, Draco, I miss a liquor with Fago. That bitch don't tell me to say so. She only like me for that payroll. Ooh, yeah, I hop in that Wraith and I gotta go. Told me to meet him at the liquor store. That we kinda good, let me get some.